Today we are taking a closer look at these solar step lights. I did receive them as a gift, so let me show you what comes in the box, how to install them, and just share my overall thoughts about it. In the box we have our step solar lights and we have silicone sealant. Here's how this solar panel looks, and before installing you want to make sure to remove this magnet. It is only to prevent discharge while transportation. Installation is pretty simple. First we're gonna remove the stickers from our double-sided tape. Then we're gonna take the silicone sealant and we're gonna apply it to both sides of our panel. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and press it firmly against the stairs, and that's it. And you're just gonna repeat the same process with all of the steps that you have. And here's the results I got. I think this looks absolutely stunning. I really like the glow at night. It is very pretty. It makes my home look so much more welcoming. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.